Welcome to Bella Bin's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a recipe of chicken potato stew. I use a whole fresh chicken and a big potato and other material shown in this photo. It is a Chinese style of chicken potato stew. It is really delicious. First step, I clean this chicken. It is a fresh chicken, so I clean the skin, remove the fur from the skin, and take the chicken leg out. Make sure clean everywhere of the chicken. Make sure it is very clean. Now, we take it out, put on the cutting board. First, remove lots of fat from the tail. Then, cut off the chicken head and put it in the garbage. Then, cut off the chicken legs from the body and put them in the container and process them later. Then cut off the chicken butt, put it in the garbage. Then cut off the chicken wings, process them later. Next, we cut into chicken chest hole. First, we cut off chicken breast part. Cut off the fat from the chicken breast. Then later we process the chicken breast. Cut off the chicken neck. Then cut the chicken neck into small pieces. Remove the internal organs and the fat from the chicken chest. Then cut the chicken chest into small pieces. Next, we remove the skin from the chicken breast and cut the meat off the bone. Then reserve the chicken breast meat to the next time. In this time, we don't use chicken breast meat because this meat is hard in the texture, so it's not good for the stew. Then we cut the bone into small pieces. Cut the wing into small pieces. Next, we cut this chicken leg into two parts. Then cut the fingers off from this part. Cut the chicken thigh into small pieces. Then cut the drumstick into small pieces too. Only if we cut every part of this chicken into small pieces, then the taste is easier to go inside the chicken meat. That's why this chicken stew is very, very tasty. These parts we cook today. Chicken breast we cook next time. This is the garbage. Next, we cut green and red pepper, cut green onion white part, cut ginger, cut the potato. Next, we boil the chicken part in the cold water in the Dutch oven over medium heat. When the water starts to be boiling, then take out the chicken parts. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat in the pan. Then add in pepper, green onions, ginger, and star anise. Stir fry until the pepper is a little bit brown outside. Then add in the chicken parts. Then stir fry the chicken parts with everything. Stir fry about 5 minutes until some chicken meat are stuck on the bottom. The bottom is a brown color. This is a very important step. We must reach this to get the bad taste vaporized. Then add in light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce. Stir fry everything to mix everything well. Then add in hot boiling water. We don't want to add in the cold water because now the chicken meat is hot. It's not good to add in the cold water. Then stir, especially stir on the bottom. Don't want anything stuck on the bottom. Add more water. Make sure everything is submerged in the soup. Then take a little bit of soup to try how salty it is. Then add salt. Now everything is okay. We transfer the stuff into the Dutch oven. That's the whole Dutch oven. It's looking nice. We cover the Dutch oven and put it into the stove. We cook for 1 hour and 15 minutes. The time is up. We open the Dutch oven and add in the potato cubes. Make potato cubes are submerged in the soup. Then cover it and cook another 40 minutes. The time is up again. Open the Dutch oven. Take a piece of potato to check. Yeah, it is good. It is well cooked. Now we take out the Dutch oven. To open the cover. Wow, it's really nice. Looking nice. Transfer some our chicken potato stew into the plate. Wow, it's a really nice plate. And sprinkle with some green onion leaves. Now we are ready to eat. Let me to try first. Take a piece of potato and dip some juice to try how it tastes. Wow, it is really tasty. It is the taste of my childhood. I wish you could try this recipe. You cannot imagine how wonderful it is. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, keep well, and see you next time.